Now let us continue recording because too much time is there for one presentation. So I am breaking this particular chapter 12 into two slides, two presentations. So here let's start with this next presentation. Use of brackets as grouping symbols. There are four types of brackets: small brackets and curly brackets, square bracket and bar bracket or vinculum. You can see these brackets, how I have given. Horizontal line drawn over the terms. Removing a bracket. Example: x plus 2y minus z is equal to x plus 2y minus z. Signs of the terms inside the bracket remains the same if there is positive sign outside the bracket. So here x plus 2y and negative z will not change. It will remain the same. B question. B. P minus Q minus R. Now here there is negative sign outside the bracket. So how we simplify this? P minus Q and negative becomes positive. So P minus Q plus R. So signs of the terms inside the bracket changes if there is negative sign outside the bracket. Example: simplify. 3a plus b up minus 5a. Here positive is there before the bracket, so nothing will change. So 3a plus b minus 5a will remain as it is, and we will get 3a minus 5a, that is negative 2a, and b as it is, positive b. So we have written it as b minus 2a. So I have changed the order only. 10 minus 2 into bracket 3b minus 4a into bracket 10 minus 5. How to simplify this? 10 minus, now the innermost bracket we have to first simplify. That is 10 minus 5. So here 2 into bracket 3b minus 4a. Now 10 minus 5 is nothing but 5. And since there is no sign, it is multiplication sign. So we get 10 minus 2. Now when you want to open that curly bracket, what you have to do is 3b minus 20a will be, because this is 4 into 5, that is 20a, and negative, so negative 20. So 3b minus negative 20, minus 20a. So here 10, now we have to multiply by negative 2 all the terms in the bracket to simplify that bracket or to open that bracket. So it will be 10 minus 6b. Now negative, positive. So positive 48. 2 into 20 is 40. Example, simplify. Third example. X minus into bracket 2 minus into curly bracket negative 5y plus 2 minus 10 minus 8x under the vinculum. See here there are 4 brackets. So we have to first solve the innermost bracket, and that is vinculum. So x minus into bracket 2 minus into curly bracket negative 5y plus 2. Now when you simplify that 10 minus 8x, and there is before that there is a negative sign. So how to do it? Negative 10 it will become, and positive 8x. So x minus 2, that is into bracket 2 minus into curly bracket negative 5y plus, now 2 minus 10 is negative 8 plus 8x, and therefore x minus into bracket 2 minus curly bracket is negative 5. We have to now curly bracket, we have to add that other two terms. We have to the small bracket we have to now simplify. So that will give you negative 5 by y minus 8 plus 8x. Then we have to open the curly bracket. So x minus into bracket 2 plus because negative and negative positive. So positive 5y, negative and negative positive. So that is positive 8, and negative and positive negative, that is negative 8x. So 8 minus 10 plus 5y minus 8x will be the final in the square bracket, because 2 plus 8 is 10. 5y will remain as it is, negative 8x will be as it is. Now again there is a negative sign before that square bracket. So 8 minus 10 minus 5y, because change of signs will be, and plus 8x. So now x and 8x are the like terms. So 9x. X plus 8x is 9x, minus 5y as it is, and negative 10 as it is. So that is how we simplify the brackets. Substitution. The value of the algebraic expression depends on the value of its variables. For example, A. Value of 3x plus 20 for x is equal to 3. That is, we have to substitute the value of x as 3. So 3 multiplied by 3 plus 20 is equal to 9 plus 20, that is 29. And B question. Value of 3x plus 20 for x is equal to negative 2. Now x is negative 2, so substitute that as negative 2. So 3 into x means 3 into negative 2 plus 20, that is negative 6, plus 20, that is equal to 14. Thus, to find the value of algebraic expression, the variables are substituted by their values. This method is known as substitution. Example, find the value of the following expressions. 2x square plus 3y minus 10. Substitute x as is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. So when you substitute it in the given expression, 2 multiplied by 2 square plus 3 into 3 minus 10 will remain as it is. 2 into 2 square means 4 plus 3 into 3 means 9. So 8 plus 9 minus 10, that is 17 minus 10, and the answer is 7. Substitution, x is equal to negative 3 and y is equal to 4. So we have to substitute x as negative 3. So 2 into negative 3 square plus 3 into 4, because y is equal to 4, minus 10. So 2 into, now negative 3 square is 9, plus 12, 3 fours of 12, minus 10, that is 18 plus 12 minus 10. That is equal to 30 minus 10, which is equal to 20, because 18 plus 12 is 30. C question. Substitute. X is equal to negative 5 and y is equal to negative 15 is equal to 2 into negative 5 whole square plus 3 into negative 15, negative 10. So 2 into 25, negative 5 whole square is 25. 3 into negative 15 is negative 45 minus 10. So 50 minus, because 25 2s are 50, minus 45 minus 10, that is 50 minus 55, because negative 45 and negative 10 gives you negative 55. That is equal to negative 5. Now exercise 12.2. Solution of that. Chapter 12, operations on algebraic expressions. So first question, let's start. Filling the blanks. 3a into 4a is 12a square, because literal is also multiplied. Negative 2 into 2x. Negative 2 into 2 is negative 4x. Then x raised to 5, y raised to 4, into x raised to 4 and y raised to 5. Now x raised to 5 is plus x raised to 4, that is 5 plus 4, that is x raised to 9. And y raised to 4 and y raised to 5 also gives you y raised to 9. So x raised to 9, y raised to 9 is the answer. D question. 5x square into y square x cube. Now x square and x raised to 3, that is 2 plus 3, that is x raised to 5. So 5x raised to 5 and y square is the answer. E. Negative a into bracket a plus b. Now we have to solve the bracket. So negative a will become negative, b also will become negative. So it is negative a minus b. 2 into bracket a minus b equal to 2 in plus a minus b, same as it is. 3 plus into bracket a minus 2a minus 5. Now a minus 2a is negative a, and now negative 5 and negative of negative 5 is positive 5, and therefore 5 plus 3, that is 8 minus a, will be the blank. See, be careful here. You have to first solve the small bracket, that is negative 2a plus 5, and a minus negative 2a will have no change, so that is negative a, and 3 plus 5 will give you 8. H question. X minus into bracket 2 minus 3 minus 3 6 under vinculum. So here I have given the hint. Negative 3 minus 6 under the vinculum means negative 3 plus 6, and that gives you positive 3, and therefore 2 plus 3 is 5, and therefore x minus 5 is the answer, because there is minus sign before curly bracket. Exercise 12.2, the second question. Find the value of the following. 3 into 33a cube is 99a cube. Negative 5 into negative 41xy, that is negative 5 into negative 41 is positive 205xy. 0 plus 11a square b square equal to 0. That is because 0 multiplied by any term will give you 0. D question. 4ab plus 4xy is equal to 16abxy, because both are like unlike terms. So the literal, when you multiply them, you will get their product as abxy. Negative 8x square into ab, here also the same. Negative 8x square ab will be the answer. Negative 5xy into negative 3x ax square. Now here negative positive, so 15 will be positive, and x1 is the power of the first x and the second x 2 power. So it will give you x raised to 3, and y is same. So answer is 15x cube ya. 7 upon 5xy and 25 upon 49y cube. Now here y and y cube, that is y raised to 4, and x will be as it is, and 7 upon 5 multiplied by 25 upon 49, 7s are 49, that will be in the denominator, and in numerator it will be 5, because 25 upon 5, that is 5. So 5 upon 7x y raised to 4 is the answer. Third question. Multiply product of a square b and 3 upon 5 ab by 25 upon 27a. So we can take first two products first and then you can multiply. That way also you can do, or we can take all the three as it is. So here a square b into 3 upon 5 ab, that is 3 upon 5 a square and a is there, so a raised to 3, and b is there, that is b square, into 25 upon 27a. Now 3 9s are 27 and 5 5s are. So 5 will be in the numerator and 9 will be in the denominator. Just see, children, how it is done. Then a raised to 3 and a will give you a raised to 4. So 3 plus 1 is 4. And b raised to 2 will be as it is. Fourth question. Simplify. 2 minus into bracket 3x minus 5. The solution of that is, we have to first open the bracket. So 2x minus 3x plus 5, because minus minus positive. So that will give you negative x plus 5. That can be written as 5 minus x. It is wrong here. The first only see. It will be 5 minus x. B question. 4a plus 9a plus 2b. No change. 4a plus 9a gives you 13a plus 2b. 5 into bracket 2 minus 3x plus into bracket 4 minus 5x plus 3, brackets complete. So 5 into curly bracket 2 minus 3x. Now we will first solve the round bracket, that is 4 plus 3 is 7 minus 5x, and then we have to solve the curly bracket, that is 2 minus 3x plus 7 and negative 5. We have solved that curly bracket. We have to solve now, because I have taken those two terms in the curly bracket, because there is addition sign, there is no change in that. And then we have to solve the curly bracket, and which will give you 2 plus 7 is 9 and negative 3x plus negative 5x, that is negative 8x. So 5 multiplied by 9 is actually 45. I wrote wrong. And 45 minus 40x. Please change it. That simplification, that multiplication was wrong. Please change it. 18 minus 40x. No. 45 minus 40x. Please change it. D question. 13 plus 3x plus into curly bracket 2y minus under vinculum 3x minus 6y plus 5x and minus 11. So under vinculum only 3 terms are there. Minus 11 is separate. So what we have to do here? 13 plus 3x plus 2y, that is separate, minus 3xy x plus, because negative 6y will become positive 6y. Positive 5x will become negative 5x. And minus 11 as it is. So 13 plus 3x plus, now here 2y plus 6y is 8y, minus negative 5x, negative 3x is negative 8x, and minus 11, that will give you all these terms in the curly bracket, 8y minus 8x minus 11. Then when you simplify curly bracket, since there is positive sign before it, there won't be any change. So 13 plus 3x plus 8y minus 8x minus 11, and that will give you 13 minus 11 is 2, 3x minus 8x is negative 5x, and 8y as it is. So 2 minus 5x plus 8y is the answer of D question. Fifth question. Find the value of 4a plus 7. Substitution this question is. There are 3 questions here. A is equal to 1. So for 4a, when you simplify that, 4 multiplied by 1, you have to substitute the value of a. 4 into 1 plus 7, that is 4 plus 7 is 11. Then b. A is equal to 3. So 4 into 3 plus 7, that is 12, plus 7, that is 19. 4 is equal to, see question, a is equal to negative 4. So we have to substitute as negative 4. So 4 multiplied by negative 4 plus 7, that is negative 16 plus 7, and that is nothing but negative 9. Sixth question. If P is equal to 2 and Q is equal to 3 and R is equal to negative 1, find the value of following expressions. PQR plus 3. Now PQR means 2 into 3 into negative 1 plus 3, that will give you 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into negative 1 is negative 6 plus 3, that is negative 3. B question. 3P plus 2Q plus minus R. So 3 into 2, 2 into 3 and negative into negative 1. Because negative R is negative 1. So therefore 6 plus 6, 12 and plus 1, because negative, negative, positive, that gives you 13. C question. P raised to Q plus R minus 1. P raised to Q means 2 raised to 3 plus negative 1, negative 1. So 2 raised to 3 is nothing but 8 and minus 1, minus 1. So 8 minus 7, 7 minus 1, that is 6. 8 minus 2, that is actually. D question. P square plus QR plus PQ. P square 2 square, that is 3 multiplied by 3 is the value of Q and R is negative 1. So 3 into negative 1 and PQ is P is 2 and Q is 3. So 2 into 3. So 4, that is 2 square. 3 into negative 1 is negative 3 plus 6, that is equal to 4 plus 6 minus 3 is how much? 3. So that is negative 10 minus 3 gives you 10. 4 plus 6 I have added and then minus 3. So 10 minus 3 is 7. Equation 2P plus 3P square minus 10, that is 2 into 2 plus 3 into 2 square, because P is square. So P square means 2 square and minus 10. So first is 2 into 2 is 4, 3 into 4 is 12, 4 plus 12 minus 10 is 16 minus 10, that is 6. Now F question. P plus Q plus R square minus PQR, that is 2 plus 3 plus negative 1, that is 2 plus 3 minus 1 the whole square minus 2 into 3 into negative 1. Now 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 square is 16. And 2 into 3 into negative 1, that is negative 6, that will become positive 6. And that answer is 16 plus 6, that is 22. So children, this finishes our chapter 12, operations on algebraic expressions. I have done it in 2 presentations. So please refer to that and see what is at a glance in this chapter on operations on algebraic expressions, and also solve the questions which are given below in mental maths and practice time, and also think smart. All these questions are there. Please practice them. See my video. See that how I have solved all the questions in your exercises as well as in the examples, and refer to that and try to solve all this for your practice. That will give you a revision. So children, like, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Also share my videos with your friends who are in your class and families whose children are there in 6th standard. So that will very, very help you. So please do that. Thank you.